Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered, can I start with the strength training? Or are you too old to bear things? This is the video that you need to watch. We're going to bust these myths and show that bodybuilders are not the only people who are supposed to undertake strength training. It is one of the most potent means which help you to get old gracefully, active, and self-sufficiently.
Let's get started.
Did you know that we can lose up to 8% of our muscle in every decade since we hit the age of 40? That's a startling statistic. This healthy aging process is known as sarcopenia. It makes us weaker. Metabolism slows and predisposes us to falls and injuries. It may appear to be a downward slope, but here's the best news. It is not invariable. We can counterstrike, and strength training is the best weapon. It guards our muscles, hardens our bones, and holds us in balance on our toes. You might consider that as your personal fountain of youth that will help you to stay strong, stable, and alive many years to come. Then what will happen when you begin to develop strength? The rewards are indeed life-changing. First, you get stronger. In the most basic tasks, such as the process of getting groceries, going up and down stairs, or interacting with grandchildren, become something enjoyable and even entertaining. You will feel stronger, less out of breath, and your joints will be more stable. Strong muscles also provide effort of an inbuilt core set, which helps in supporting your spine and bones. Translates to reducing back pain and hip and knee pains. Entertainment does not end there. Exercises make one more energetic. Burns more calories when it rests like this, hence by building lean muscle, your metabolism increases naturally. That assists you to keep a good shape of the body and lose an excess of weight, even when you are in the couch. It is a game changer towards your health in the long run. Strength training also lowers the chances of such chronic diseases and illnesses as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and osteoporosis. Working out on a regular basis makes your body more efficient at processing sugar in the blood, and weight training makes your bones strong and not easily fractured. The result? Increased self-reliance, vitality, and confidence. You are not merely putting years to your life, you are putting life to your years. But now, you may be asking, but what exercises? You do not avoid having to visit a fancy gym or expensive equipment to begin with. There are some of the most effective exercises that do not require any weight. Squats can make your legs and glutes stronger. Even sitting up and down a chair is an activity that makes your legs and glutes work. Wall push-ups will help to work on the upper part of the body without the overloading of wrists and shoulders. Balance and leg power, it is just a matter of stepping slowly and steadily with the help of step-ups. And planks or plain holds make your core fit, back pains are avoided, and balance is enhanced. In case you wish to be challenged further, resistance bands are great. They are portable, joint-friendly, and ideal to do total body exercises such as rows and presses to extension of the legs. When you feel warmed up, put on light weights. Dumbbell rows, shoulder presses, and bicep curls will help you strengthen your back, upper body, and arms respectively. In case you can go to the gym, do not be afraid of equipment that directs your movement safely and helps you stay on the right posture. Begin with such machines as the leg press or seated row and select the one that is the most comfortable to your body. Consistency is key. Trying to have 2 or 3 sessions of strength training per week, never on the same days. Muscles require rest and develop between sessions that take approximately 48 hours. Individual sessions do not require being extended. 30 to 45 minutes is ideal. Perform 1 to 3 sets with 8 to 12 reps of every exercise. The last few reps must be difficult, yet achievable in good position. When exercises become easy, then make some advancement after every 2 to 3 weeks. Add weight, more reps, or a set. That is how your body keeps on adjusting, becoming stronger and tougher as time progresses. But it is first always safety. Lead not into excessive movement. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes to fire up your blood and get your muscles ready. Light walking, light stretching, or swings of the arms and legs are very good. Focus on form over weight. Another frequent cause of injury is lifting something very heavy, but in bad form. Slow, steady, and gradual. And don't forget to breathe. Most individuals inhale and exhale upon the effort, but it is important to breathe in well when lifting or pushing. Breath in when coming back to the beginning. Above all things, listen to your body. It is natural that the muscles feel tired, not acute pain, dizziness, or uneasiness. And do you feel any of those? You have to cease. And you must never enter any program without consulting a doctor or a certified trainer. especially when you are of novice status in exercise or might be having some underlying conditions of health. They will help you to develop a personalized plan that is safe. It is not just a matter of strength training, but it also gets into your head and heart. Your body is released on exercise, and the natural mood boosters are known as endorphins. They also leave you more relaxed, uplifted, and make you feel happier and more focused. It may even appear that it is a moving meditation, a chance to focus on your body, vacate your mind, and relieve stress in your daily life. Some also report that they get better sleep and sleep well and wake up feeling better. And social good is no more to be exaggerated. Exercising with friends, going to the gym or a fitness program, or simply walking with someone will create a bond and accountability. It will enable you to have a good time keeping a vigorous life that you will even be eager to have. Strength training is actually an investment in the body, mind, and soul. It gives you an additional energy, better balance, stronger bones, and a fresher sense of confidence, as well as makes your heart, brain, and joints healthier. And that is it. The strength training power can be available at any age. One does not need to be a bodybuilder to accrue only through anxious, inquisitive, and receptive to the most robust manifestation of self. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is of going ahead regarding saying yes to the new things in life, and strength, stability, and happiness. Bye, thanks very much, just in time, just in case this inspired you. You may like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and you cannot forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get more about healthy, active aging. Share your experience. Do you embark on your strength process? Let's hear your video. Be tough, be moving, and I will see you in the next video.